Good morning, everyone! So today I'm going to teach you a new recipe using our new Super Dicer, our Tupperware Super Dicer. So this recipe is called the Super Healthy Vegetable Soup. Okay? So I've already started browning our bacon and our sausage. Okay? So you can actually use any type of meat you like. If you don't like bacon, you can use chicken ham, you can use beef ham, you can also use chicken sausage. If you really don't like to cook with beef, pork, or even chicken, you can choose also seafood like squid balls, seafood balls, squid balls, we have fish balls, and other types of meats. Okay, so what we're going to do is we will set aside the bacon that we have browned. Okay, so we're going to put it here in our Tupperware server. And then in the same saucepan, our universal saucepan, we are going to prepare or cook the vegetables. Okay. So we're just going to set this aside. There. Okay. So now we are going to prepare our vegetables using the Tupperware Super Dicer. Okay. So we have here a Super Dicer. So it's very easy to assemble actually. So it already comes with this integrated pin grid that gives you precise cuts. Okay. And then this comes with 3 blades. It has the smaller types of dices, and then we also have larger size, and then we also have thin slices. Okay, so it really depends on what you are preparing or what type of slice or dice you want to do. You just need to attach this insert into our Super Dicer. Okay, so the first step, of course, you have to attach the integrated pin. You then attach your chosen blade size. So I will choose the large size blade or large size dicer cut. Okay, and then I will lock it in place. Okay, there. So it's very easy. Okay, so maybe we can do a close-up look of that. So it actually comes with this integrated pin grid that allows more efficient slicing and dicing. Okay, there. And then, depending on what blade you want to use, if you want smaller dices, medium sliced dices, or even thin slices, you just need to select the insert and then attach it. Okay, so what's nice about the inserts is it's very intuitive. So it's very well thought of. The design is well thought of so that you will not make a mistake when you are inserting the blades. So if you accidentally insert it the wrong way, it will not go through, or you will not be able to lock it. Okay, so you just attach the insert and then you lock it in like that. So now I'm going to show you the power of the Super Dicer. So I have here our cook. So this is Helen. Say hello, Helen. Hi. Okay, so I want you to dice the carrot this way, this size. Okay, so I will count how many knife strokes Helen will do for us. Okay, to be able to do this slice. Okay, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it took Helen 4 knife strokes to be able to do this dice. Now with the Super Dicer, it's very easy. Okay, so I want you to come closer, cameraman. So basically, yeah, so it's very easy. So I'm just going to put the carrot on top of the blade insert, and then voila! It's just one press, and we were able to do the exact dice as Helen showed us. So it took her 4 knife strokes and it only took 1 press for the Super Dicer. Isn't it amazing? Okay, thank you, Helen. Bye-bye. Okay. So now we're going to proceed with slicing all of our other ingredients. Okay, so cameraman can actually zoom in, and so now I will slice. I will use the smaller insert so that we can slice our zucchini. Okay, so we'll actually need 1 whole zucchini for this. Okay. So what's nice about this recipe is you can actually use any vegetable that you have in your refrigerator. And I think you cannot make a mistake because any vegetable will actually be nice with this recipe. Okay, so we're just gonna put this aside here. And then next we're going to try our celery. So for the celery, we are going to use the slicing insert. Okay, so we're gonna insert the blade. We're gonna lock it in. And then, so we're gonna put the celery this way. Okay. And then, we're going to slice it. Voila! Let me show you. Look at that. So it's so easy to prepare your ingredients with the Super Dicer. So we just keep on going, keep on slicing and dicing. And then we are going to now do, we are now going to prepare our potatoes. And then last but not the least, we are going to prepare our onions. Okay. So we're going to get some potatoes, but this time for the potatoes, I'm going to use the bigger dices. So we're gonna lock this in, and then we're going to proceed with slicing and dicing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I really love potatoes, so maybe I'll put a little more in. Okay, there you go. Very nice, right? So we're just gonna put it here on our chopping board. So for the onions, so I sliced it. I'm going to slice it using the small dice insert. Okay, so put it in the middle. There. So you're just gonna need half an onion. Okay, so let me show you. There. Okay, so we're actually done with all of the vegetable ingredients that we had to chop. So I put them here in the chopping board. Okay, so now we can begin cooking. So now we're going to begin cooking the soup. Okay, so in the same saucepan where we browned our sausage and our bacon, we are going to cook the vegetables. So to start, we are going to cook our garlic and our onions, which we have diced. Okay, we put it already all together. Okay. So once the onions becomes translucent, we are going to put a little butter. You can now put all the other vegetables. So we're going to start with the diced carrots and the diced zucchini. And then we are going to put the celery and the potatoes. And then we are going to pour in our chicken broth. Our a cup or two of water. And some of our brown bacon and sausage. Maybe we can put like 3/4 of what we prepared. Okay? And then basically we're going to allow this to simmer for around 30 minutes so we can cover it with our Universal Cookware lid. Okay? Okay, so it's almost done. So we've been cooking this for 20 minutes. So the vegetables are now nice and tender. Okay, so we're just gonna give it a quick stir. And then we are going to add our heavy cream. So this is around a cup of heavy cream. And then we are going to put cabbage. And then we're going to put cabbage. So you can actually use other vegetables that you have, leafy vegetables. You can use kale, you can use spinach. But what I have in my refrigerator is cabbage, so I'm going to use cabbage. So I'm gonna put like maybe just 2 handfuls of cabbage. Now we're just going to season it with a little pepper. And then we're gonna put a little salt. So the bacon and the sausage are already salty, so you can just put a little. And then you're just gonna give it a little stir. And basically, you're done. So we're done with our super healthy vegetable soup. And you just allow this to simmer for a few more minutes, and then you can already serve it to your guests. So some ideas to maybe make this a little different. You can add your favorite noodles. You can add macaroni noodles, even spaghetti noodles if you like. If you have kids who prefer spaghetti noodles, that's also a good idea. You can also add other vegetables that you might have in the refrigerator. So in case that, to make sure that you don't spoil, these vegetables don't go to waste, you can turn it into this super healthy vegetable soup. So thanks to our new Tupperware Super Dicer. So grab one now because this is such an amazing product. Okay? Thank you very much. Okay, it's almost done. So we're just going to simmer this for a few more minutes until the cabbage is nice and cooked. So you can taste it and season it with salt and pepper to taste. You can even add a little chili powder. So I like my soup spicy, so I'm gonna add a little chili. And we're done.